Roman numerals. Unlike the Egyptian, Babylonian and Mayan numbering systems, the Roman numbering system is still used today, though it is mainly used to represent items put in order, such as paragraphs of a text or numbers on a clock. As Roman numerals are considered aesthetically pleasing, they look nicer than standard numbers. In addition, they are used to represent centuries. Did you know that most films have Roman numerals in the end credits? These Roman numerals in film credits are used to represent the year the film was released. You can also find these at the end of certain television programs. Let's take a look at what those Roman numerals represent. Romans used the following symbols shown on screen to write numbers. Roman numerals are then used for quantifying amounts by following these simple rules. There can be up to 3 identical symbols in a row in Roman numbers, as the following figure shows. When it comes to the 4th consecutive symbol, another notation is instead used. The given symbol is written only once, but it is placed before the successive symbol. The figure on screen provides an example. You must not write 2 non-successive symbols close to each other. Only V5, L50, and D500 make exception from this rule. Therefore, the number 99 is not written as IC, but is XIX instead. Likewise, 999 is not written as IM, but as CMXCIX. This is because Roman numbers are grouped in placeholders of ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, exactly like the numbers we actually use. The following figure demonstrates. A horizontal line above any Roman symbol increases its value by 1,000 times as shown in the following figure. That is all for lesson 1.1.4. To continue this topic, please watch 1.1.5, Hindu Arabic numerals. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.